cetaei001l, part of Orient's mechanical multi-eyes collection. This piece has a refined look for those who are looking for a timeless design. What makes this watch great is that it's a mechanical self-winding watch. What that means is that when you wear the watch during your daily wear, that kinetic energy just from the watch moving on your wrist naturally, that energy is stored into a spring. Now that spring inside your watch powers the timing device inside your watch. Now that whole device is called a mechanical movement. That means no batteries or electronic components that drives this watch. All you need is yourself and this movement. So let's get down to the details of the function of this watch. This watch has date, day, 24-hour indicator, and time as its main function. Now let's take a look at where all these little pieces of information is. The date is over by the 6 o'clock index. The day is between the 1 and 4 o'clock. And the 24-hour indicator is between the 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock position. What makes this watch a little more special is that they show a little exhibition, meaning that they have a little hole to show you the inside of the watch. Notice between around the 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock position that they place an exhibition hole there. The case that Orient used to pair with this dial is a somewhat oval-shaped design. Now if you look closely, it almost has two dimensions to it, meaning that it's got a oval design and a more rounded design further back to give it a more round feeling. The crown located in the 3 o'clock position will adjust date, day, as well as time. Look at the edge of the case where the leather band meets. Notice how it looks like an E on its side, which I think is very clever. The buckle used here is a deployment buckle. This is cetaei001l.